Hey guys, this is your girl Coach Cailah and welcome back to Design Your Body Academy. Today's video is what happens when you don't have any weights that you can use. So this video was actually done because one of my clients requested it. She was just like, well, I don't have bands or dumbbells, so what do I do? I said, this is what you do. So I'm going to go through a real quick workout, right? It's going to consist of squats, rows, shoulder press, and arm curls, right? Kind of getting every part of your body in your general workout, but I'm going to show you what you can do with things around your house that can actually help you get the workout done. So let's jump right in. Alright, so I finished the first circuit of my workout, right? But I'm not going to use dumbbells or resistance bands for the next one. I'm going to show you an easy way to do the same thing with things that you have around the house. You need a book bag or a purse. You need your old college books, your coloring books, your kids' books, whatever. So now I have a stuffed book bag that I can do the same exercises with. I can throw that bad boy on my back in my squats. Pretty simple, but hey, let's just say you don't have a whole bookshelf like I do. Let's say you don't have a book bag, you don't have kids, you didn't really go to school, or if you did, you just got rid of the school stuff when you got done. Here's what else we can do. So, get you some laundry detergent and do the same thing. I can do a two-hand row or single. Shoulder press or single. Arm curl, single or double. So, you've got plenty of options when it comes to recreating exercise at home. If you know the muscle you're working and you know the overall movement, all you gotta do is just add a little weight. Whether it be the book bag, some books, or something that you have. This could be, again, a jug of detergent. I've had some clients use bottles of wine. You know, just use something. It could be a jug of milk. Whatever you have, you can use it. This is the same thing as a dumbbell. If I want to change the weight, then let's say I don't want to add water to this, I'm going to use it, right? But if I want to make it more challenging and the weight isn't enough, because this is 15 pounds, then I just increase my reps. So if I did 10 reps with 15 pounds, this here might be maybe 8. So I might go to 20. I might go to 20 reps and do the same thing. So there's always a way that you can manipulate your workout so that you can use the things that you have in the house. Here's another fun thing. You've always got something that you can use in the house, whether it be your body weight, book bag, detergent, milk, wine, or your dog or your kids. You've got something that you can use to always design your body. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Come on back, and this is Nutrition and Fitness Made Simple. And again, my name is Coach Cailah. I'm an online personal trainer. Check out my website for the upcoming programs that we have. We've got a 12-week challenge coming up, as well as a 6-month nutrition fix. Look forward to seeing you in here. Subscribe, like, comment, tell me what you can do. Tell me what you have in your house and how you can replicate these movements for your next exercise. Check out my online workout videos, and I'll see you back here soon on Design Your Body Academy. 2, 3, 4, yeah. 5, butt back. 6, reach. 7, butt back.